In this video, I'll show you how to change the battery on a movement chrono watch. The watch that I'm showing in this video is a gunmetal sandstone watch, but the procedure applies to all the movement chrono watches. Please take a moment to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. It's a nice looking watch. And in order to remove the screw-on back cover, it's better to get a specialized tool from eBay or from Amazon. I will put a link in the description below if you want to get the tool. Measure the diameter of the screw-on back cover and adjust the tool exactly to the diameter of the back cover. There are grooves in the back cover, so from the inner grooves to the inner groove, put the tool on them and then exert some force and firmly turn it. Turn it first a little bit to loosen it and then continue turning it. As you see, I'm putting a tissue underneath the watch so not to scratch its face. Then with my hand I completely removed the back cover. The battery is underneath the spacer. To remove the spacer with this precision screwdriver, just push it up, and then to remove the battery, as you see in the photo, there's a small lever. You just have to push it a little bit downwards and the battery just pops out. Get the new battery and just slide it in and put back the spacer. Careful, there are two pins. You should align them with the watch's handles, and then the spacer, as you heard, it clicks in its place. Make sure the watch is working and all the controls are working. As you see, the second hand is working, and these are the controls. Notice the one on the bottom, it's working, and I'm resetting it. Now make sure that the back cover screws back on tightly. First do it with your hands and then with the tool also. Just put it in place. Be very careful not to scratch the watch or scratch yourself. And turn it, tighten it well so that the watch is waterproof once again. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't hesitate to leave me your comments below, and hope to see you soon in my next video.